Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of Science of Class 3rd. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, as you all know, your unit test is going to start on 17th August. So first of all, I want to give you revision of lesson number 1 and 2 because these two chapters are coming in your unit test first. This is the syllabus of your unit test first. So students, in my previous video, I have explained you lesson number 5. The question answer of that chapter is remaining that I will give you after your unit test. First of all, I will give you a revision of lesson number 1 and 2. So not further delay, take out your book for the revision of lesson number 1 and 2. So in this video, I am going to give you revision of chapter and exercises. And in my next video, I will give you revision of question answers. So now, take out your book. Here's your book. And your lesson number first is here. First of all, briefly I will explain it again. After that I will come on exercise. Okay students. So first is here your lesson number 1, living and non-living things. इस चैप्टर में हमने लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. लिविंग थिंग्स और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैसे सर्वाइव करते हैं और उनके बीच में क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. Your first is let's warm up exercise. This I have already given you in homework. If you have not done that, if you are having any problem, then you can tally your answers from here and you can write down. So this picture is about to search the things which you can see in this picture and you have to write here 10 things. Now next come on here. These paragraphs is about man-made things, natural things. Here you can see man-made things, natural things, living things and non-living things. So students, as you all know, those things are made by men. जो things इंसान ने बनाई हैं उन्हें कहते हैं man-made things. And about natural things, those things are naturally made. Creature में मतलब creature में ही हमें मिलती creatures जो होती हैं naturally होती हैं, created होती हैं nature के through, वो natural things होती हैं जो human नहीं बनाते, that are called natural things. And the man-made things are the things which are made by men. Example I am giving you here. Man-made things are benches, swings, okay, and natural things are like moon, stars, flowers. These are naturally made. Now living things. Living things are the things which need food, breathe, move, grow, feel. Students, living things वो things होती हैं जिनको breathe करती हैं, move करती हैं, grow करती हैं, कुछ feel होता है, reproduce करती हैं. That are called living things. But things here you can see things which do not show any character of non-living things. Non-living things जो thing कोई भी living things का character show नहीं करती उसे non-living things कहते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Now next page here I will explain about difference between living and non-living things. Your first point here, living things need food. As you all know students, we grow and plants also need food. We also need food. We depends on plant for the food. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So in this way all living things need food, but the non-living things do not need food. क्या आपकी टेबल या आपकी चेयर खाना खाती है? No, that is a non-living thing. So in this way these are called living and non-living thing difference. Now second here, living things grow. Students, you have seen a seed grows into a plant, a baby grows into a younger one, an adult. So in this way all living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. Have you seen any table to grow? आपने कभी कोई टेबल खरीदी और क्या वो बड़ी हो गई, छोटी अगर खरीदी तो no. So in this way this is the difference between living things can grow but non-living things do not grow. Now next, living things move. Here you can see living things move. Have you seen a monkey jumping on a tree or lizard? As you all know, we can move. हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. We are living. But about the plants, they are living but they cannot move. आपने देखा है कभी प्लांट्स को चलते हुए? नो. सो बट दे आर लिविंग. उनको खाना चाहिए, वो बड़े भी होते हैं, है ना. सो हियर आई विल टेल यू हाउ द प्लांट्स शो द मूवमेंट. Some plants are specific, they show movement. Here in on next page you can see. A pitcher plant trap insect and eat them. A sunflower always turn its face in the direction of sun. पिचर प्लांट होता है, इंसेक्ट ईटर होता है, इंसेक्टिवोर्स होता है, मतलब इंसेक्ट्स को खाता है वो प्लांट. एंड इन दैट वे दैट प्लांट शो मूवमेंट. पिचर प्लांट के ऊपर जब भी कोई इंसेक्ट आके बैठता है तो वो अपना कैप जो होता है उसको बंद कर लेता है और जिससे वो मूवमेंट शो करता है. इन दिस वे वी कैन सी द प्लांट शोज द मूवमेंट. सम स्पेसिफिक प्लांट्स सेम एज सनफ्लावर, इट ऑलवेज टर्न इट्स फेस इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ सन. जिधर सन होता है उधर ही सनफ्लावर अपना फेस टर्न कर लेता है. सो दिस इज़ द वे ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ सनफ्लावर. ओके, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट मूव ऑन दियर ओन. अगर आप बुक रखें किसी टेबल पे या टेबल ही है, आप उसे जब तक खुद मूव नहीं करेंगे वो मूव नहीं होगी, वो वहीं पे रखी रहेगी. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस ऑफ living and non-living things, that living things can move, non-living things cannot move. Okay, now next, in these explanation I am giving in briefly. If you want detailed explanation, that I have already explained you in my previous video, because this is the revision, that's why I am giving you little bit headings of this chapter. Now next is fourth, living things breathe. एज यू ऑल नो लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ. हम सांस लेते हैं, प्लांट्स को भी ज़रूरत होती है सांस लेने की, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट ब्रीथ. ओके, दे डोंट नीड टू ब्रीथ. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी वी ब्रीथ आउट रिच इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ह्यूमन बींग, एनिमल, काउज and insects also breathe through the spiracles. These are the tiny structure found in insects which help them to respire, breathe. Okay, now next is fifth, living things feel. Obviously if we will touch some hot plate and we will feel that that is hot, and same as some plants like touch me not, छुई मुई आपने सुना होगा. अगर आप उसे टच करते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपनी लीव्स को क्लोज कर लेता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम दैट बिकम लाइक दैट which that plant is before. So this is the way the living things show the feeling. Okay, but there's no feeling in the non-living things. Okay, so this is the difference between living and non-living things. Means living things can feel but non-living things cannot feel. Okay students, I hope you all get it little bit explanation of this chapter. Now next page, here living things reproduce. What is the meaning of reproduce? To give birth of young ones. सेम अपनी जैसी कॉपी को प्रोड्यूस करना, that is the process of reproduction. So students, here you can see the way in which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Okay, so this is the process held by the living things, but non-living things cannot reproduce. Here you can read the difference between living and non-living things. And plant differ from animals in what ways? Here you can see plant can make their own food but animals cannot. Plants do not move from one place to another, but animals can move from one place to another. Okay students, so this is the explanation of your first chapter. Now as I told you, I will give you revision of lesson number 1 exercise also. So here is the exercise of lesson number 1. First of all, just check your answer from this page. And your first question is tick the correct answers. This new word terms you have to read. Okay, these you have to read. Now next is an example of living thing is tree. Next, an example of a natural non-living thing is, natural means human ने नहीं बनाई है, natural है but, और नॉन लिविंग है, दैट इज़ रॉक. रॉक्स जो होती हैं ह्यूमंस के थ्रू नहीं बनाई जाती बट नेचुरली अगर है बट नॉन लिविंग है. ओके, ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स आर नेचुरल. फोर्थ, फिश ब्रीथ थ्री विद दियर गिल्स. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ योर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. नाउ सेकेंड इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. यू कैन सी फूड प्रोवाइड्स डैश टू लिविंग थिंग्स. आंसर इज एनर्जी. सेकेंड, अ सीड चेंजेस इनटू ए सीडलिंग. थर्ड, अ पिचर प्लांट ट्रैप इंसेक्ट्स एंड ईट दैम. This I have already explained you right now. Now next, fourth, we breathe out rich air, air rich in carbon dioxide. So these are the fill in the blanks. You all have to learn it well. Now see are the question answer. This I will give you in my next video, not in this video. In this video only I will give you exercise revision. Here now next D question. Put a tick against the correct sentence, write the other correctly. Students, you have to tick the correct sentence. If there is incorrect sentence, you have to put cross and you have to recorrect that. Here first is a baby grows into a child. It is correct. There is no correction, so we have to put here tick. Now next page. Here second, animal take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So student, this is wrong sentence. That's why I have here put cross. After that, you have to put correct statement here. You have to write correct statement. How do you have to correct? Animals take in oxygen. You have to cut this carbon dioxide. After that, you have to write carbon dioxide after cutting this oxygen. Okay. Now next, insects breathe through gills. So it is wrong. I have marked here wrong. Now you have to correct this statement. Here you have to cut gills and write spiracles. Okay, so this is the correct statement. Now fourth is plants remain fixed to the soil. So this is correct statement. So you have to put tick here. So these are the answers of your book exercise of lesson number 1. Now what you have to do? I have given you revision of lesson number 1st exercise with answers. You all have to make, you have to write all these, tick the correct, fill in the blanks on a copy. Okay, without answer. You have to write all the questions there. After that, you have to close your book. Don't cheat. After learning, you have to write your answers yourself. When you will write, you have to check your answers from the book. Okay, so in this way you will be able to do your revision. Okay, now next chapter. Here, as I told you, second chapter exercise I will give you revision today. Now here, second chapter, it's about human body. In this chapter we had read about internal organs. Here you can see internal organs, the organs which we cannot see, जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं, हम नहीं देख सकते, उनको इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. So here some internal organs. You can see brain. What is the function of brain? Brain help us to think, learn and remember. Heart. What is the function of heart? This help in the circulation of blood. Okay, and the lungs, it helps in the breathe. Now next, stomach. Here you can see the food that we eat get digested in the stomach. So these are the function of the these internal organs. Here brain picture is here, lungs, pumps. So here write below each what they do, help us to do. So here I have written brain help us to think, lungs help us to breathe, heart help us to pumps blood. If you want to, then you can write in this way. Here to learn in this way you can write. Now next page. Here we had read about cells. Cell are almost smallest unit of the body. Then cell together make tissue. Then organ is made up of tissues. After that organ made organ system. So these are about our body made up of. Okay, and these are the system which our body consists here: digestive system, respiratory, skeletal, muscular, nervous system, circulatory system. Okay students, so here in this chapter we had read about detailed study of respiratory system, how we breathe, what are the organs which is present in our respiratory system. Here you can see the organ of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe, lungs. This is also the answer of your first question, I think. Now this is the process of respiration, how we take air and give the exhale out. Here you can see by nose we take air, then after that lungs, blood, heart. After when exhalation process during body parts, then blood, air goes to blood, then heart, then lungs, then through nose it goes out. So in this way we respire. If you want to, if you will read it, definitely you will get. Okay, now next chapter, next page. Here breathing. What is breathing? The taking and giving out of air is called breathing. एयर को इनहेल करना और एक्सहेल करना वो ब्रीथिंग होता है. एंड हमें हमेशा वी शुड ऑलवेज ब्रीथ थ्रू नोज, बिकॉज हेयर इन द नोज एक्ट एज अ फिल्टर. जो नोज में हेयर्स होते हैं वो फिल्टर की तरह वर्क करते हैं. वो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स को उस पर स्टिक कर लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारी रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में एंटर नहीं करते एंड इट विल नॉट हार्म अस. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज थ्रू आवर ब्रीथ आवर नोज. Now next, never cover your face with a sheet while sleeping. कभी भी सोते हुए शीट से नहीं कवर करना चाहिए. Go to park or a garden, do deep breath exercise in the morning. It will help you feel fresh throughout the day. Okay, so these are the here you can see one more topic is here. Air pollution causes and effects. So undesirable things present in the air cause air pollution. Some causes of air pollution are soot from vehicles, smoke from the factory. So these are the causes of air pollution. It can cause disease like asthma and bronchitis. So in this way you all have to read this chapter like a revision. You have to take little revision. I hope you all have listened it well. Now I am going to explain you exercise again of lesson number 2. This you have to read. Okay, new words. Now next is tick the correct. The smallest unit of our body is cell. Okay, B is digested in the stomach. C, the control center of the body is brain. Now fill in the blanks. So student, what you have to do? When I will explain all the lesson number first I have explained, second now I am explaining you. So you all have to, after listening and after learning all these answers, you have to write down all the, tick the correct questions and fill in the blanks questions, and right wrong is there. So you all have to write only questions on a copy. After that you have to write your answers yourself. Don't cheat when you will write the answers. After writing answers you have to check your answers from the book. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Here cells of same kind join together to form tissue. Okay, B, an organ is made up of different tissues. C, the air we breathe is called inhaled air. D, breathing polluted air can cause disease like asthma. E, we should try to keep the fresh air fresh and clean. So these are the answer of fill in the blanks. Now come on next page. Here matching, you can see this is you have to match the pictures here. So this is stomach, brain, lungs, and here heart. Okay, so these are the matching. Now respiratory diagram. Here this diagram you have to prepare. Don't forget to label this diagram. Nose, windpipe, lungs, only 3 labelings are here. So you all have to label this. I hope you all get the revision of lesson number first and second exercise. Now you just take out your copy and start writing questions of lesson number first and second exercise. I will meet you in my next video. It is sufficient for today. In next video I will explain you again lesson number first and second question answers. I will give the revision of lesson number first and second question answers. So students, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.